Hi, this is Kirby from Guden. We're going to show you how to mount and dismount gas springs. Okay, to mount a gas spring, you just push. They snap right on with just a little bit of force. You want to mount them at the extended length. Never try to compress it and mount it in a compressed configuration. So I open the door to its extended length, pop it on, there she is. And that is the quintessential gas spring motion, right? Because it's balanced somewhere around here, has a little of its own closing force at the bottom so that it stays closed, and then past the balance point lifts on its own. That's the kind of the whole gas spring trick. So to remove the gas spring, you stick the screwdriver underneath there, have an assistant hold the door open so that it's in an unloaded state. And then with that in there, just push. Off it comes easy as pie. And for the other end, just flip it around. Once again, stick the screwdriver in there a little bit. Off it comes. Just a reminder, this little motion of sticking the screwdriver behind the clip is all that's necessary. Do not pop the clip off. Just leave it right where it is. It'll work fine. So I'm going to just take the screwdriver and put under the back, and that opens the jaws. And that's how you mount and dismount gas springs.